Hello everyone. Openclaw is very popular. Try it on your own. Openclaw evolved very quick. You may see different versions, but the idea is the same. I'll show you how to install Openclaw and fix the error it may occur. This is official Openclaw website. We will start from here. Because the Openclaw is very powerful, it is not recommended to install it on your main computer. I'll use one of my old Apple laptop to do the installation. Go to Openclaw website. Go to Quick Start and select Mac OS. Download the DMG file. Open the downloaded file. Drag the Openclaw application to the application folder. Go to Application folder and open the Openclaw application. Now we got the first error. Click Retry and check Configure it later. Open Terminal. Check if you have Node installed. If you see this message, means you don't have Node installed. Let's install NVM first. NVM is the Node version manager. Close the terminal window and open it again. We need to create a .z profile file. I use VI editor to do it. You can use any other editor you're familiar with to do it. The file contains these two lines. Save the file. Close the terminal and open it again. Now the NVM is working properly. Let's install Node. Let's check if we installed the Openclaw. Let's install it. Now the Openclaw is installed. Let's configure Openclaw. Choose Yes. Choose Quick Start. Choose Use Existing Value. Choose your favorite model. I'm using Gemini, so I choose Google. Open Google AI Studio. On left panel, click Get API Key. Click Create API Key. New API key is created. Copy the API key. Go back to terminal. Paste the API key. Choose a default model to use. Choose a channel. I'm using Telegram. Go to Telegram app. Search about father. Enter new command, new boat. Give your new boat a name. Copy the token. Go back to terminal and paste the token. Now we are going to configure skills. For hooks, sleep for now. Choose Restart Gateway Service. Choose Hatch in TUI. Open the application we installed at the beginning. Now you can see the gateway is connected. Let's open the setting. Go back to Telegram. Open the new boat we created. Click Start. You will get your user ID and the parent code. Pairing Openclaw with the Telegram new boat. Now your agent is born. You name your agent, you name yourself. It will have a conversation with you. The terminal outputs some error message. It is because I use the free tier, so the token is running out. Doesn't really matter. You still can use it. Go back to Openclaw control. Here is my response to the agent. The agent responds to me, Then I asked the agent to do a web search for me. Then the agent responds with a message and also gave the command to fix this error. Open a new terminal and run the command. Let's use the keyless search first. The search doesn't work. Now we need the Brave Web Search API key. Google Brave Search API key. Click the registration link. Check your email and get the code. Choose your plan. I choose the free one. Copy the Brave Search API key. Go to Terminal and do the Openclaw config again. It's the API key here. Go back to Openclaw control and do the search again. From the agent response, you will know how to do and what to do next. Here is the agent response. The agent did the search for me. The agent, you gave him the ability, he will do the things for you. There are so many skills out there. You can explore what is suitable for your work. Add the skills, the agent will do the work for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.